To ensure everyone's safety in case of an earthquake and fire, let's begin with a brief explanation of what to expect. CIIT is equipped with a state-of-the-art earthquake alarm that monitors any earthquake in real time. It will automatically trigger an alarm when a magnitude 4 or higher earthquake is recorded. When you feel an earthquake and hear the alarm, look for the nearest table or a sturdy desk and perform the duck, cover, and hold the position. If there is no nearby table or hard surface, look for the nearest post or corner instead. Drop to your knees. Clasp both hands firmly behind your head. Protect your head at all times. Every floor in Interweave has 2 exits. When the earthquake stops, proceed to the nearest exit and cover your head while you evacuate the building to protect from falling debris. Avoid using elevators. If you encounter a small fire, immediately pull the nearest fire alarm. Assess if you can safely extinguish it using a nearby fire extinguisher. Only use a fire extinguisher if you have been trained to do so and if the fire is small and contained. In extinguishing the fire, remember pass. Pull. Pull the pin. Aim. Aim the extinguisher nozzle at the base of the fire. Squeeze. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. Sweep. Sweep the nozzle from side to side to cover the fire. If the fire is too large already, do not attempt to extinguish it. Pull the nearest fire alarm and evacuate immediately. Avoid using the elevator. Always use the stairs. In case of fire, make sure to stay low while covering your mouth and nose to minimize inhaling smoke. In case of earthquake, maintain your hands over your head to protect it from any falling debris. Floor checkers and sweepers will check every room after the emergency to make sure that no one is left behind. If you or someone else is injured or hurt, shout to call for help. Medical assistants will be ready to provide you with first aid and will escort you out of the building. Proceed to the designated evacuation center of CIIT at KD Covered Court. Maintain 2 lines as we proceed to the evacuation area. Whenever possible, stay within the pedestrian sidewalk or avoid and be aware of vehicular traffic. It's important to always remain calm. Do not panic to prevent further injuries. Once you arrive in the evacuation area, wait for further instructions. Do not leave the evacuation area until everyone is accounted for and you have been given permission to go home. Stay prepared, stay safe. It's your best defense against emergencies and disasters.